Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to make an ebook in Canva. It's super simple and you don't need any design skills. First, open Canva on your computer and log in. In the search bar at the top, type ebook and you'll see lots of ready-made templates appear. Pick one that fits the style you want, whether it's modern, minimal, or colorful. Once the template opens, you can start customizing it. Click on the text to change the title, subtitle, and chapters. Canva makes it really easy to adjust the font, size, and color so it matches your theme. Next, replace the stock images with your own. Just drag and drop your pictures into place or upload them from your computer. You can also use Canva's free photos and graphics library to make your ebook more engaging. If you need extra pages, just click Add Page at the bottom and duplicate the layout to keep the style consistent. You can create a cover page table of contents, chapter sections, and even add charts or graphics if needed. When you're finished designing, click on Share in the top right and then Download. Choose PDF format. This is the best option for ebooks because it's easy to read and share, and that's it. You've just created a professional ebook in Canva that you can publish, sell, or share online.